Welcome to the Organic Rose for another fun episode. Today I'm going to make what I call kind of homemade bubble water, carbonated water. And it's really simple to make. You buy one of these machines and you fill a carafe up with water, and we're going to go ahead and just tap water, and we'll go ahead and fill up this plastic bottle up to the fill line. You want to follow all the manufacturer's instructions on this. Don't be trying to cowboy it. Okay, we're almost up to the line. There we are. That was easy enough. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. Set this over here. And now, see, I've got it filled up to right to the manufacturer's suggested fill line. Now we're going to go ahead and put the bottle in the machine like that, lock it in, and there you have it. So we'll wait till 1, 2, 3, unlock it, and there you have a bottle of soda water. I love it. I drink at least 1 to 2 of these a day. And I just keep it in the refrigerator. Sometimes I'll even go ahead and pour it out of the plastic, because I'm not a huge plastic fan, and just pour it into a glass carafe. The same carafe will work just fine. You can squeeze a lemon in it, a lime, a lemon. You could add whatever kind of flavors you want to it, but it's just a great thing. I really enjoy it. And like I say, I go through a couple of these bottles a day. Hold on 1 second, I'm going to grab a glass. And I can show you. So that that is so refreshing and so good for you. And the other thing you have to remember, when you buy a bottle of soda water in the store, carbonated water, chances are it's going to have sodium in it. I don't know why, but that's part of the production process of commercial carbonated waters. So another reason to make your own, no sodium. And it's just water with bubbles in it. That's it. And it's so delicious. So you can make a batch of lemonade if you want, carbonate the lemonade. Or go ahead and just squeeze some lemons and limes, some oranges, different types of citrus right in the water after it's carbonated. It works out really well too. What they don't like you to do is carbonate wine with it. Why, I don't know. Supposedly it can become a mess and wine goes everywhere. It's got something to do with the chemical balances of the wine trying to force carbonation into it. So I just follow directions and don't even bother trying it, because I'm kind of lazy, and the last thing I want to have to do is clean up the whole kitchen with water and bubbled wine everywhere. So I just stick with water and it's good. But you can squeeze different types of fruit in there, different types of citruses. What's another good one too is what I've done is we have a pomegranate tree outside, and I've taken some of the pomegranates, cut them in half, put them in my manual juicer and made pomegranate juice, and then put splashes of pomegranate juice into the soda water. Yum. I'll catch you next time on The Organic Rose.